Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me again, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm travelling the high seas. I'm trying to find the pirate ship. Wanna come? Hoa ki tātou. Oh, there's the pirate ship here. I wonder how I get on. Let's try this way. I made it. Come on, let's go and explore the pirate ship. Come on, I'm heading to the upper deck. Yeah. Whoa, let's go and check out where this goes. Come on. Whoa. Check this out, cuzzies. Whoa, check out all the different blues there are. Some of these look like my shirt. This is so cool. I'm gonna call them Splash Ocean Water Wet Pads. Cool, let's see what else we can find. Whoa, this is a real pirate ship. Arr. Let's check what's down in the hull. Oh no, there's water in the hull of the ship. Buzz the Cuz to the rescue. Oh no, we have a serious leak in the pirate ship. I better start bailing it out. I can't do it. There's too much water. I'm gonna have to abandon ship. Okay. Abandon ship, cuzzies. That was a close one, my cuzzies. Hey, I'll see you next time, eh? Ka kite.